Morning, everyone. It's Wednesday morning at 8:40, and this is your pre-opening call. It is for Wednesday, the 16th, and it's video number 1153. Okay, so this morning we had retail sales and import-export prices. We also have industrial production and capacity utilization, but those don't come out until 9:15. Fed minutes this afternoon. Okay, so retail sales, whopping number, up 3.8% versus 2% expected. X autos and at 3.3 versus 1, and X autos and gas 3.8%. Those are very big numbers. The problem is that they're not adjusted for inflation. So a big piece of those gains in retail sales is actually inflation. Import prices up 2% versus up 1% expected. That's the month over month. Year over year is up 10.8%. 10.8%, that's a pretty big number. And export prices 15.1%. So a little bit of strength there. And again, not adjusted for inflation. As far as news goes, there doesn't seem to be a whole hell of a lot this morning. Asia slightly higher. Europe is mixed. Shopify had earnings. They beat, but they gave kind of crappy guidance on for the year. The stock closed 889.50 yesterday. On the headline of the beat, it traded up to 970 and then promptly turned around on the guidance and went down to 839. 131 points off the high. Last 843 down 45 and a half or 5%. Viacom with a miss, unfortunately, although the Paramount streaming had great numbers. The stock had closed 35.99, up 96 yesterday. Traded down to 31.96, down 403 or 11%. And the company is changing its name to Paramount. That is effective today. There'll be a new symbol tomorrow. P as in Peter. A-R-A-A. SeaWorld. This is kind of interesting. SeaWorld and Cedar Fair. Cedar Fair came out and said that they rejected the SeaWorld offer. Amazing. Usually when that happens, when they say they're not accepting it, they usually say it's worth more or whatever, and that stock goes up, but the acquirer also tends to go up when there's no deal after an announcement. So Cedar Fair closed 61.60 yesterday, currently trading 53 and a half, down 8. So maybe there isn't anybody in the background. That's down 13%, but SeaWorld is also down. It had closed at 70.68, last 67.75, down 293. Roblox with a miss, 62.03, down 11.27 or 15%. Upstart and Airbnb both with beats. Upstart 135, up 25.89, 24%, and Airbnb 186.23, up 616. That's 3.4%. Okay, before those numbers came out, the Dow was down 48, got back to just about unchanged, currently down 35 again. So not a lot of action there. Down 20 prior to the numbers on the NASDAQ, down 32 right now, and down 675 in the S&P, now down about $6. So there you have it. Chart on the screen. UNG, not UNG, but nat gas. Um, we've closed that gap that I pointed out last night. We're right under this red line, which is the 100-day moving average. There should be a bunch of resistance in here. Not that the resistance held it down the last time we had a rally like this. But we are also on the books to sell half of the position on the 100% up rule this morning at the open. For a look at the rest of the futures, the corn is up, bounced off some support. Oil 93.39, that's up $1.31, and after trading as high as 462, 456.2, up 25.6 in net gas. Gold is basically unchanged, down 70 cents. Silver is up a little. Lumber was limit up again yesterday. S&Ps have already gone over. The dollar is down about 10 cents, and Bitcoin and Ethereum giving up a little. All right, everyone, I'll be back later. Have a good day, and make sure your order's in to sell half of those UNG calls.